Hello friends, today I'm come back and today I'll show you how you can add bookmark on your iPhone. So if you're iPhone user, you must be need to know how you can add bookmark on your iPhone. So why you want to add bookmark on your iPhone? Sometimes you forget some website, but this website is needed anytime. That's why if you want to today you work on a website, but you thinking after 1 week, 1 month, you need to go this website. But if you forget, then how you can get this website? So if you make a bookmark, then you can get anytime this website. Then you can go. All right. So if you want to bookmark, you should go Safari browser. If you open the Safari browser, then you see similar type of interface. So here in showing many of folders for bookmark. I'll make new bookmark folder. Okay, I tap the edit and just make a website folder. This is bookmark folder. I just creating for teach you because just for not bookmark, I also making the folder. Each folder you can put many website. Okay, so done. Then I go website like this. So after come this website, now I want to add bookmark on this website. Then I tap the bottom right corner. Here in showing just minimize this tab. I just press and hold few seconds. Here in showing pin tab, also move tab like this. So again I go there and I want to add bookmark website, edit, done. And this tab I just hold few seconds here, just few seconds, then showing the add bookmark. All right, so tap the bookmark, then where you want to add the bookmark. Here is showing favorite, here is showing favorite option. Also currently it will be save on favorite, but if you want to move any website under the website before I make the website, then it will be save on the website. And if you want to like the save on the favorite, then you can save the favorite. So maybe it's already done. Then I just tap here and go back and website here in showing. So I just close this tab. Okay, now I go back this website. You think, yeah, we are now after 1 month, then I need to go this website. So how you can they are in showing favorite bookmark, but if I go to website folder, then go to this website Zerosoft. All right, so I tap here, and if you tap here, then showing similar UI, then I just tap the website. Then here is showing website design and development service, then I just tap here. Yeah, it's done. That's easy. And thanks for the watching, and please hit the subscribe button and like this video and let me know if you face any problem. Bye bye.